Badge. Yeah, first badge. Last year,
There is work here. The work we are talking about is farm work, and people are making it. There are also business for people but business is not much, because this farm work, some people come here, they export it direct. So companies do this for you. Is in a bigger way. Imecha anyị chiri ego igwe, ịnawazịa ụzọ nna gị jee ebe ahụ jee gwunyebe ihe ị chọrọ igwunye. Nna ọrụ dị ebe ahụ, unu agbapụzi na some places. Amakwa m na agasi yes, all them may travel out of the country, but if you have not traveled out of the country and you want to establish in Nigeria, please, farm work is okay and is peaceful. There is peace in your state. So Tinubu good for your state.